Friends, welcome to Sai Techno channel. Today we'll see how to convert PowerPoint presentation into MP4 video. So you can see here we have some PowerPoint slides are there. So 4-5 slides I have made. So these slides I want to make as a video. So when you're making some biography or any wedding design, so you want to be after doing PowerPoint, you can be doing the video also. See, when you're doing the slideshow coming one by one, you have to be placing text coming. So I want to be convert directly video. Go to file and save as. So you can be save your file where you want destination. So location you can save. I am saying on desktop. So just to be saved there, put your name and just I'm putting here animals because some animals I use just way and using it. And here save as is very important. You have to select here save as type. Here many options will be there. Here you can select here MP4. So because we are converting MP4, just to click save. So it will be start converting to the MP4 from PDF. You can see here download. Downside also you can see here creating a video animation. So normally what happens whenever PowerPoint you are doing slide one by one coming like this. So here all at a time you can be make bulkly to the save on that one. We easily save that one. So when after converting the slides, still automatically it will take the times. If you want to put animations also, you can keep the animations. So every picture you can keep animation timings also you can set. Okay, it will easily it will be set the timings for that one animation. It will set it. So you can set animations, all animations, transactions, whatever you have done designs. So it will be converted to the video. You can see here this is video. Double click on that. So you can see here automatically video has been converted. So whatever slides are there coming one by one automatically. No need to be enter the slides. Automatically it's created video. So after doing the video you can send to anyone like WhatsApp or Facebook through or anybody whoever you want to send, you can send easily. So now we'll see let's one how to convert PPT as a JPG. So sometime when you are doing applications they want JPG format. So same you go save as and destination you select it. And only thing is that just same you write I am writing here tiger this name I want to make it here JPG. And same you have select JPG save as type. Here you can see here JPG interchange format will be there. You can be select it automatically it will convert as a JPG. So like this whenever you require from slide to be JPG you can be do it. And it lasts all slides and just one. All means all will come. Just once what happened only one slide which is selected it will come as a JPG. You can see on desktop I will show you. See just I have only selected for tiger slides. This image is coming only one will be converted as an image. So when you select all slides all will become. Same way you can convert PPT as a PDF also. Same process you follow. See I want to make convert as a PDF. See I will select one. I'll take it as a save as and select. See here you can I will tell you a difference how PDF all will come and single will come here. So PDF what happened single option will not be available here. So I have written here elephant when I have selected here PDF because I want to convert this one as a PDF. Just you can be file. You have to select here as a PDF. So you select here PDF. Okay, when you collect the PDF, all files will be PDF. So many are there, depend upon the work will be there. So majorly we are using image and PDF slides only. So it's converting PDF. See you can see here when it's convert all are coming. When you're doing PDF, so that time you have to very take care because when you convert PDF all images coming. So it not there is no option for single. So what to do? Just you go back to the PowerPoint. Then you have to be do some this one. So you have to be delete some slides. Suppose I have some slides are there. I want to be delete some slides. See I am deleting here. I am keeping only one slide. I want to convert as a PDF. Then what happened? Only one slide will be available and it will show as a PDF. Then afterwards you have to come back. See, same process you have to do for the conversion of PDF. See, I have done here PDF as only one wall. So here PDF is coming only one. So what if I so only one I have done, then again I have to go back. If I want to repeat, all you have to be Ctrl Z you to all is coming back, and you have to put the save. So it can be do like this PDF conversion. One technique you have to use, because see, only you are using for always all PDF becomes. See here only one PDF is coming. I hope you like video. Please comment and share, subscribe it.